welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to share a super quick project inspiration sort of video. So this is for the laundry room. This is the look, feel, and colors of my laundry room. And the Lost Socks Seeking Soulmates is what the saying says. But this sign I purchased from Joann's in the wintertime when they first started stocking the spring decor. And so I had initially planned to crochet socks for this, but it never happened. Some months have gone by, and I was in the laundry room with my husband the other day, and he reminded me that I said I was going to add socks. So what I did was just took a clean pair of socks. I liked them because the socks had like a ruffle to the top of them, and I want to say I probably had purchased them from Walmart a while ago. But what I did was just took my hot glue gun and added some fabric flowers as well as some lace trims in the color of my laundry room and just made them the same but different so that they still coordinated, but they also went along with the sign. Okay, now if you go to Walmart, they do have these wood plank signs, and if you wanted to, you can just get some word stencils and acrylic paint and stencil this message onto the wood plank in whatever font you would like. Or if you have a Cricut, then you can just do this in vinyl and it'll be even faster. All you would have to do is just cut it out, weed it, and place it onto the wood plank. And to hang it up, they actually have twine, and you can either do that or you can do a ribbon. I will probably do lace because I do like to hang things with lace whenever possible. And then as far as the clothespins go, you would just paint them with some acrylic paint to get that matte finish, and then just glue as many as you want on your sign. So this is a super easy project, share. It was already done, so, and at the time I'm sure it was 50% off or something like that, because I never pay full price when I go to Joann's and Michael's, because a lot of their home decor, to be perfectly honest, I feel is overpriced. So I've only shopped when it's on sale, and then you can just go ahead and personalize it any way that you like. So I love this. I thought it was cute. And because I was doing some laundry, it reminded me to share this, because this is a project I would have been interested in. All right. So to glue the clothing pins on there, I would suggest either like wood glue. You could hot glue them on there, but sometimes hot glue can be finicky. So if you have like a E6000 or a I think it's Hammer or Harmar or some, I forget the name of the glue, you could use that. There's plenty of different glues out there that you can use to glue the clothespins to the sign. So I really like this, and I hope you all enjoy it. And as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.